Want to share your NAS with friends without the headache? Today I'm gonna show you how to create and manage shared device users in GEAK OS so your friends can jump right in. Step 1. Create a shamed user. Log into GEAK NAS as admin. Head to Settings gives User Management and hit Create User. Type in username and password. You'll see an option to force a password reset on. First login. We'll skip that for now so they can set their own later. Click Authorize and you're done. Step 2. Let's see what your friend sees. They logged in with those credentials. Click Connect Device. Then follow the prompts to set their own password. Everyone gets their own sandbox, so your files and theirs never mix. Back to the admin side. In User Management, click on the user to check storage usage. Assign them to a group. Or disable. Delete the account. Disabling cuts off access but keeps the data. You can re-enable anytime. Deleting wipes everything permanently. So double check before you hit that button. That wraps up our tutorial on creating and managing shared device users. Invite your friends to experience the GEAK OS today. GEAK OS, your personal AI NAS.